Having trouble with your SafeLink Hotspot add-on? You're not alone. Many users experience issues with tethering. The main reasons a SafeLink Hotspot might not work include problems with your tethering plan, incorrect APN settings, or misconfigured phone settings. First, confirm your $5 hotspot add-on is active in the SafeLink app under My Account. Without this add-on, tethering is blocked. Also, ensure you have an active data plan of at least $1. Expired add-ons are a common culprit, so double-check the expiration date. If your plan is active, verify your APN settings. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then Access Point Names. The correct APN is usually TrackPhone or trackphone.mvno. If it's different, manually input the correct APN. For iPhones, reset network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Enable the hotspot by going to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot, and Tethering, and turn it on. Ensure no VPNs are interfering, restart your phone and try again. If problems persist, call SafeLink support at 1-888-442-5102.